We doing it on the Nexus. I'm back with sub duels. Win or lose I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to join the EDL Pro Tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the rings. Alright, I want my revenge, King Kuriboh. Here we go.
Okay.
Dude!
I'm still trying to figure out how in the heck did you not make you figured out what I was doing.
What the heck is this? What is this?
Oh,
Zombie world activate. Foolish burial. I will dump. Glow up bloom. Glow up bloom. I'll pick Doom King. And since zombie world on the field, I can special summon him. And attack. Garo Seto. Fernando. Soul recharge. Forehead.
Okay. Alright, this dude. And you.
Charge of the Light Brigade.
You can still hear me, right?
Yeah, I can still hear you. Once per turn, I will super poly. Discard forehead.
Alright.
Draco Necro. Another Soul Dragon. Yugioh Shoken. Standby. Doom King. This is a field spell, I special summon him. Normal summon Shiranui Solitaire. Activate its effect. I will tribute himself. And I will chain with Doom King. Once per chain. If the zombie activates, I can negate that effect. Or banish field or graveyard. I think I'll. Does your Gandor's attack like increase if it's like banished or something?
It's just how many cards that are banished in the banish zone times that by 3. 300.
Light Sworn, Lights. So. Well, I'm banishing. Special summon a zombie tuner with 0 defense. That would be Unizombie. Unizombie effect, I'll increase its level. And then I'll dump. Bloom. When Bloom hits the grave, I can banish it. Special summon 1 level 5 or higher.
And if you want to go against another deck that I have, I don't mind it at all.
I'll get another Doom King, and since Zombie World's on the field, I'll special summon it. And attack.
Okay, double Doom Kings.
Double Doom King.
Wait, do you know the YouTuber called Busy Pop?
No.
I'll send you one of the videos of hers.
Link Shoken. Vampire Sucker. I already did the banish, so battle. Vampire Sucker direct attack. Dragon Necro, Nether Soul Dragon direct attack, and Doom King direct attack. Turnando. Surrender. You surrendered?
I pulled another trade in.
Alright. Scooped it. He scooped it.
Okay then, my site's acting weird.
Side deck completed. Damn, you're making me go first.
Don't forget this deck. The deck indoor deck's usually a first runner up. Or not first runner up, second.
Extrav 6. God dang. Ah, not bad, not bad, not bad.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna do something for the next one.
Turnando.
Okay. Let's see. Let's and 6. Okay. Why not?
God dang, I don't have that. I just don't have that. On your normal, for Raiden, Plesiozoic Dynamiscus.
Alright.
I will discard Doom King. Come on. Out of the cards. If you control no face-up cards, activate one of these effects. Lightning Storm. Destroy all your spell trap. Get rid of your back row. Alright.
Alright.
Activate Zombie World. Normal summon Shirnu's Solitaire. Activate effect. I'll tribute one zombie monster, which is him. Special summon Zombie Tuner 0 defense. That is Unizombie. Unizombie effect. Send from deck to graveyard, increase by 1 level. Glow up Bloom. When Bloom hits the grave, I can activate its effect. I'll choose Tomb King, and since I have Zombie World, I get to special summon it. I'll activate Unizombie. I'll increase its level. Do you have any monsters in your graveyard?
No.
No?
All spells.
Okay. Are you sure? Do you have any monsters in your graveyard?
Nope. I don't even have a single one.
Okay, I'm not gonna chain it. I'll dump Eldritch. Eldritch. I'll send Cosmic Cyclone. Gains 1,000, cannot be destroyed by your card effects till the end of your turn. Dang. Okay. Battle. Doom King, direct. Unizombie, direct. Eldritch the Golden Lord. Direct attack. Main phase 2. Two zombie monsters, that's going to be Unizombie and Doom King. Link Shoken. Vampire Sucker. Durlingo. Draw phase, standby phase.
Ooh. Come on. Get out of here, stupid messages. Okay, will you kitties knock it off? Do that. Pull at you. Summon you. We shall drop you. And let's see. Just have that.
Doom King, I will. You're gonna special summon, right? I'm just gonna negate that effect.
I'm just special summoning Lumia, but okay.
Lumina is now a zombie because of Zombie World. God damn it.
But I shall return. Getting rid of your village.
Okay, that's cool. Doom King, and I will standby phase, Vampire Sucker, Doom King, banish your. Which one is that? Giga Ray. Okay. Battle. Vampire Sucker. Oh, but then he changed it with Super Poly. And I will dump Mizuki for Dragon Necro Nether Soul Dragon. Yugioh Shoken. And I'll attack you with him. Finish! I got my revenge. Thank you, King Kuriboh is your Nexus name?
Yeah.
Thank you, King Kuriboh, for the duel, and sub if you liked it, like if you subbed it. I got my revenge. See you guys.